All right, guys. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening from where you watching from. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can connect your Google Analytics with your WordPress websites. As you can see, this is a Google Analytics dashboard. For you to navigate to Google Analytics, you find analytics.google.com. So let's get started. So first thing you're gonna do once you enter your Google Analytics, this is how the dashboard actually looks like. So for you for beginners, so I will give you a full tutorial on how you can work with Google Analytics. First thing to do with your Google Analytics is to come to the admin settings, right down the button on the setting center at the right corner. So you click on the create button for you to create a new property for the analytics. So once you click on property, you're gonna see this kind of dashboard. So it will require you to create a name for your property, so you can know the difference from each of the property you have on your website. So let's make use of this. I'm using WordPress tutorial. So this is just to know the actual property you are using, because if you have like mine, I have a lot of property on this analytics dashboard. So I am going to you get a name for it, so I will know what kind of property I'm using. You can set the country and the time. Here you can set the type of business you're actually doing. So I'm gonna be using computer and electronics. So you choose your business size, then also choose the goals for why you want to use Google Analytics. First, generate leads, drive sales, and view users' engagement. And then this is based on what you want. You can tell them on the other objectives. So once you get to this side, it's gonna ask you to choose either you are creating property for web or for Android or iOS. So I'm using web because of course, we are designing for websites. So I'm gonna copy the domain name of the website. I'm gonna be linking with Google Analytics. So you paste it there. You start with www dot, or this is make sure it's HTTPS, so it will be secure. Now name for the website is let's use WordPress tutorial as the property name we use all the other time. So next is to click on next. So you click on next, or you check if this or make sure it's all checked, so that we have the whole section set up. You understand? So the next is to link the you're gonna see this kind of things. That means your property have been created. Next is to create is to connect you to with your WordPress website. So you can actually use that, but for beginners, I actually advise you use the method I'm gonna be using in this video to make use of it. But using tag is actually simple for a developer, but for designer, you have to use this kind of method. So Google is gonna generate this kind of tag for you. It actually starts with I actually blurred the tag because of security purpose. So but it actually starts with G slash. So anything you see like that, but you actually don't need that. Let's just continue with it. So since the website is built from WordPress, I'm gonna be using WordPress. So first thing is to install a plugin called first thing is to create is to install a plugin called SiteKit. So after you have installed the plugins, you install and activate the plugin, so you will be able to connect it with your WordPress, the Google Analytics with the WordPress, so you can get all information of how people visit your websites, how many people based on their countries, and all that. So after you click on activate, it's gonna redirect you to a particular page where you can link up. You see setup. So after you click on the setup button, you click on Connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So you can actually check on or uncheck on that. It's based on your choice, but I actually advise you check on it so you can get more information from them when there is a new update or any other thing. So you click on sign up with Google. So after you click on sign up with Google, you use your email account to connect with the Google Analytics, and then after you have done that, then you are all set. Then you are all set. So you click on the next button so you can set it up completely. You click on next. So these are essential steps so you can Google can verify that you are the owner of the email address you're linking up with the Google Analytics. So after you have done that, you will see a successful message that your analytics have been successfully connected. So next is to connect, is to wait for at least 24 hours so that your website information will be successfully show on your Google Analytics dashboard. So you choose the so you're gonna see that you're gonna see the analytics or the that's Google tag and check it to confirm if you are clicking on the right Google tags. So so after you've done that, you should expect your data to show after 24 hours, but it's gonna sometimes it take about 24 hours to actually show up on your Google Analytics dashboard. So for you to confirm if your Google Analytics has been successfully set up, so you click on the setup button. Then after you've done that, then you go back to your Google Analytics and check if your analytics has been successfully set up. First thing is to receive a message from the dashboard if it has been successfully set up. You can see it has been successfully set up here, but to confirm, you have to go back to your Google tab, and then you go back to the setting, and then check if the you click on the yes, you click on the Connect Analytics button, then it shows up here. So you scroll down to until you see text URL. You click on tag, then you click on the button that show test URL. Yeah. So you scan, and the moment it said it has been successfully connected, then you are good to go. So you have to wait for 24 hours for it can show up on your Google Analytics dashboard. So next is to connect your API with your Google Analytics for some particular functionalities where it automatically process your data and then give you the right information for you to know what is how the information is being processed and the whole thing is how the whole thing is being set up. But right now, our Google Analytics has been successfully set up, but we have to wait for 24 hours before it's successfully set up. So you click on the setting button, and then you click on the connected option. So let's connect our Google API, which is better, so that it will be able to read our information, set up what is right, and then give us the right information that we need. So for us to generate client ID, we have to go to our client ID dashboard. Then you click on generate credentials. So yeah, Google is going to generate a client ID for us so we can make use of it as our API setup. So it automatically generates information from clients that visit our website. So this makes it easy for us to read and understand information from clients, how people interact with the website and the whole thing. So you copy the client ID. So you click on the copy button and go back and paste the button right there. So now you click on setup and then it will be successfully connected. So guys, this is how you set up your Google Analytics and the Google API. So it read your website information is as simple as that. So please kindly subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can hear from us next time you visit the our page or the next time we post a new video. Thank you so much.